This is the story of impact, the journey of transformation. Welcome to WhatsApp Impact 2024. By the end of 2024, WhatsApp, Voice of Specially Abled People, has directly helped over 33,000 individuals with disabilities, a total of 165,000 lives touched with empowerment and smiles. Let's take you through the places where hope and empowerment was delivered. In Jammu and Kashmir, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bhavnagar, Nasik, Rajkot, and list goes on. Assistive devices brought new independence. In Mathura and Jhansi, prosthetic limbs changed lives forever. A step forward, literally and emotionally. In Bayad, Kolhapur, and Ahmedabad, self-employment kits enabled people to create their own livelihoods and contribute to the India's economic growth. In October, Ayodhya witnessed the gift of vision, 1,000 free cataract surgeries, and again in March, over 2,000 surgeries were conducted, restoring sight and dignity. Through the WhatsApp Scholarship Program, 7 hearing impaired students from California Schools for the Deaf, Fremont and Riverside received scholarship for higher education going to college. And then came the advocates, our igniters, youth leaders spreading awareness, inclusion and action. From Rohan Kaushikan to Om Patel, from Suhani Mehta to Eva Gujarati, over 20 inspiring change makers, US President's volunteering service awardees fueled the movement. In the realm of governance, WhatsApp launched Project Hitarth with Parivar NCPO to empower individuals with intellectual disability through healthcare access and Niramaya scheme benefits. More than 3,000 lives were supported under Hitarth. WhatsApp's impact reached 24 states and 3 union territories in India, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, and extended to 4 states in the United States, including California and New Jersey. Memorandums of understanding were signed with the governments of Goa and the Union Territory of Daman, Diu, and Dadra Nagar Haveli. Promoting innovation, WhatsApp supported assistive technology for visually impaired, hearing impaired, and people with locomotive disabilities. A major milestone was Founders' Address at the launch of India's first global multicast news hub in collaboration with 24/7 Live Times channel. WhatsApp's first ever fundraiser gala in Dallas celebrated inclusion with 17 sponsoring organizations and community leaders, uniting academia, corporates, NGOs and tech partners. From BPA to Parivar, from Signable to Sunbonds, over 25 organizations joined hands to accelerate impact. You too can be a part of this journey. Empower lives with us as proud enabler today. 33,000 lives transformed and counting. Visit www.voiceofsap.org/donation.